Cloud services are easy to create, but much harder to understand as costs spread across providers, clients and projects. Fenrix Cloud Budget brings that financial picture into one focused workspace. Start with secure workspace access. Administrators can sign in locally, while invited team members can use a short-lived email code for passwordless access. The overview turns a scattered cloud estate into a clear portfolio. See estimated spend, active projects, clients, upcoming attention and connected cloud accounts from one calm starting point. The command center combines synced provider costs with manual estimates. Track spend in range, projected month-end, budget runway and month-over-month movement, then filter by provider, client and date. Budget pacing compares actual spend with the ideal path through the month. Guardrails, health indicators and project spark lines reveal which work is on track, approaching a limit, or already over. Interactive visualizations explain the bill. Explore provider mix, top cost drivers, the biggest movers, daily cost composition, project caps and a cross-cloud cost map. The daily spend trend highlights unusual changes and shows how much of the picture comes from synced actuals versus estimates. Manual refresh keeps the workspace current when you need it. Projects solve the organizational gap between providers. Group AWS, Azure and Google Cloud services by client or workload, regardless of where those resources actually live. Inside each project, add custom services and monthly estimates, or retain cloud-synced resources as locked source data. Provider badges make every cost immediately recognizable. Create monthly, quarterly or annual budgets and choose the alert percentages that matter to your team. Each project can carry its own financial guardrails. Discover existing cloud inventory, select the resources that belong together, and assign each resource to one project. Fenrix prevents duplicate assignment across the workspace. Client cards keep commercial context beside technical work. View contact details and project counts, then create, update or safely remove a client without deleting its projects. Each client record holds the contact, company, billing address, phone and working notes your team needs, without turning the app into a heavy customer relationship system. Reminders keep rotations and renewals visible. Track due dates, lead times and recurrence, then snooze, complete or restore an item without losing control of its life cycle. Create one-off or recurring reminders, add notes, configure multiple warning intervals and link secret or certificate reminders to the relevant cloud account. Connect AWS, Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud with dedicated read-only identities. Credentials are encrypted at rest, displayed only as masked hints, and can be updated or removed at any time. The connection form adapts to each provider, validates the required permissions and stores only encrypted secrets plus the non-sensitive configuration needed for future discovery and cost sync. Build a filtered executive budget report for any client, provider and period. Preview the key figures, then export a polished PDF or a spreadsheet-ready CSV. Administrators manage access from a dedicated workspace. Search administrators and members separately, promote roles, enable or disable accounts, delete ordinary users and protect the final active administrator from lockout. Invite a teammate as a member or administrator. Pending invitations remain visible and revocable, while members stay focused by never seeing the administrator-only users area. Choose a complete visual personality rather than a simple color swap. Daybreak, Nebula, Graphite and Tide change the atmosphere, geometry, surfaces and component palette throughout the app. Theme changes are immediate and persistent, with animated surfaces that follow the device-reduced motion preference. Keep data on device with SQLite, move it to SQL Server or Cloud SQL, or use the hosted SARA-S mode. An isolated test data switch demonstrates every feature without touching real records. Configure in-app and device alerts, custom SMTP, resend, SendGrid, postmark and other delivery adapters. Sensitive values remain encrypted and reusable without being shown again. Fenrix is fully responsive. On tablet, dashboards and cards reflow into touch-friendly layouts while preserving the depth of the desktop experience. On mobile, large actions, stacked cards and compact filters keep Cloud Intelligence readable. The fresh bottom navigation puts every authorized destination within thumb reach. Even the full project editor becomes a vertical accordion with a single-line icon action bar, making detailed project management practical on a phone. Fenrix Cloud Budget gives developers, consultants and finance-aware teams one clear place to group cloud resources, control budgets and stay ahead of the next cost surprise. Group. Budget. Stay ahead.